This is power. Power that can be controlled. Power that you command. Now, get the feel of brute power in your own hands. With Mattel's fantastic new Vroom skip loader. The harder it works, the louder it roars. This is Mattel's Vroom dump truck. Same exciting Vroom roar, just like a real motor. Get the power that only you can control. Be sure to ask for Vroom, the ones that really roar, the ones that really last. Mattel's sensational Vroom skip loader, or Vroom dump truck. You can tell it's Mattel.